So here is a full guide on how we can post our template from Capcut to TikTok. So the first thing that we need to do is open up our Capcut. So once we open it up here, the first thing that we need to do is head over to our profile here. So if you're not already logged in, make sure you log in. And then what we can now do is click on view profile here at the top. And then you can then click on edit profile. Once we select edit profile, you simply now want to click on the TikTok link here. So once we click on edit profile, you simply want to click on your TikTok link here, which will then open up TikTok, and then you want to click on continue to link your TikTok account. Now, as you see, if done correctly, you will see a linked account right there. Now, what we can do is head on back, go back over now to our Capcut here, click on templates in the bottom, and then you will then see different templates. Now, what you want to do is you want to create your own. So if we go over to project and then click on template at the top, you then want to click on the create button at the bottom. And then once you select your template, you can then click on add and then select export here at the top. So once we click on export, it will then take a couple of minutes here. And then as you can see, you can then click on share to TikTok, which will then share this over to TikTok. Click on the next button down at the bottom and then click on post. And as you can see in the top, it will take a couple of seconds depending on your internet speed. And as you'll notice now, this has now been uploaded to TikTok. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can upload your CapCut template to TikTok.